play Tetris with electrical components? Our customers do, every single day.
That's true. They're all struggling to find space for more and bigger components for distribution panels, energy management, solar integration, more cables and bigger cables. All looking for space in the existing range we have. Space is tight, but as in Tetris, time is even tighter.
Yeah, that's true, but don't you know we can actually solve that puzzle? First, we have added this new, bigger size of our outdoor enclosures EH3 in 2 extra widths, DIN 2 and DIN 3, all with the height of 1310 millimeters. More space means proper organization of components and cables, or future expansion capability. On top of that, just like the other enclosures in the EH3 series, these 2 new sizes are approved for use in public spaces. So you don't have to spend time searching for reliable and safe solutions. We already done it for you.
And second, our interior fitting system CombiLine has been saving installation time on DIN rails for more than 40 years. But enclosures like EH3 use mounting plates, so we developed specifically CombiLine MP to enable easy and quick mounting of CombiLine N on those mounting plates.
Since you mentioned easy cabling, let me show you something. So, did you know that CombiLine has also now a new and smarter way to install bigger and even more cables? Yeah, we have completely redesigned our wire holders, all made from recycled plastic now, recognized by their gray color. And new wire holders allow double cable capacity, multiple mounting options, and fast installation thanks to horizontal and vertical routing.
That's the difference. Recycled materials, yes, but also real tithing installation on every single day.
Exactly. Bigger enclosures, fast installation, and sustainable accessories, all working together as one system.
You know what's best?
What is it?
No more Tetris, solutions just fit.
Well, unless you actually like playing Tetris.
Sorry, then we cannot help you.
Game over.
Game over.